Hello everyone. So today we are discussing about the types of array. In our last class we finished the array. So today we discuss types of array. Okay, so what are the types of array? First we are going to discuss. The first one is one dimensional array. Second one is two dimensional array. Third one is multi-dimensional array. And the fourth one is character array. So first we are going to discuss about the one dimensional array. First we discuss about one dimensional array. So what is this one dimensional array? It is a simple collection. It contains number of elements, number of data elements. So it is a simple collection of elements. It contains single row and multiple columns. So what is the example how we write the one dimensional array? What is the syntax? So first we write data type, then array name, then the size of the array, then there is a semicolon. And the example is how we write in our program. Data type, that may be integer, float, character, then array name, I write here any name for the array, then here I write the size. Okay, the size is 5. So now we are going to write a program using one dimensional array. So write a program that finds smallest and largest elements of array. Okay, so what is our question? There are number of elements in our array. Here I use 5 numbers. So if here I use 12, 96, 5, 7, 2. Okay, so now I have to find out the smallest. So smallest means this one is the smallest number, and the largest means this one is the largest number. Okay, so using C programming we have to find out this numbers, which one is the smallest, which one is the largest elements of the array. This one is array, and what is the size of this array? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the size of the array is 5 here. So now from this 5 elements we have to find out which one is smallest and which one is largest. So for this we are now write the program. Okay, so now we start writing the program. First this is the header file. Okay, so this header file is used for STDIO, means standard input output. Okay, output header file. Okay, this is used for the printf function and scanf function. There are so many input output functions to use. Okay, for the input output functions we use the standard input output header file, and this is our conio. Okay, conio.h. okay, con means console input output header file. This is used for get ch and the clr function. Okay, these are the uses of this two header file. So after we write the header file, then we start our function, the main function. Here we are going to start. So here we write void main. Now I write my program from this place. Okay, so look here, this one is our program. Okay, so look, after I finish here the word main. Okay, so after the word main, here I start the word main. Okay, so our program is starting from this place. Okay, so look here, so here I use one array. Okay, A5, because here I use 5 number of elements. Look, 1 2 3 4 5 number of elements we have to input here. Okay, now I use for this 1 2 3 4 5 number of values I use I, because the I value is increment. Okay, after our loop is executed, then the n. Okay, next we use large for the largest number and the small for the smallest number. Okay, then enter 5 numbers. Then here I use the loop for I equals to 1, I less than equals to 5, and I plus plus. Okay, so next I use %d, and here we input the 5 number of values. So for the 5 number of values, here we use %ai, means I use first I enter the value of a1 equals to, look here in this example, first I enter here a1 12. Okay, then a2 I enter the a2 is 96, then a3 I enter that is 5, then a4 equals to 7, then a5 equals to 2. Okay, so all the values are we enter in this place. Next is first I initialize the first value. Okay, if my first one is larger, then first I initialize large equals to a1 and the small equals to a1 if this one is small, or if this one is large, then this loops are not executed. Okay, if this is not large or smaller, then we come to here and we display the loops. Okay, so now I use I equals to 1, I less than equals to 5, I plus plus. Okay, so first for the a1, how this one is executed, this part, first I equals to 1. Okay, then check if ai is greater than larger. Okay, if ai is greater than large, if the a1 value is greater than this one, greater than this value, okay, then the larger equals to 12. Okay, so what is the value of large here? 12. And what is the value of small here? 12. Okay, both the values are a1 value. So now we compare a1 value, means 12 is greater than larger, 12 is greater than 12. No. Okay, if no, then this one is false. Next we are going to check I equals to 2. Okay, then okay, here again we check another condition. 12 is less than 12. No. Okay, so no values are displayed here. Next is I equals to 2. Now this one is my a2 value. Okay, so now we check the value ai. Okay, so ai value is now 96. So now we check 96 greater than 12, because my large value is 12 here. So now this one is true. Yes, so now large equals to 12. Now again we check 96 less than 12. No, so this part is false. So now this one is the larger. Larger is 12. Okay, similarly same we are going to check I equals to 3. Okay, next look here, we again check I equals to 3. Then what is the value of a 3? This one is 5. 5. So 5 is greater than 12. No. Okay, so larger is not displayed here, but 5 is less than 5 is less than. Then we are going to check 5 is less than 12. Okay, so now we have checking all the values. Okay, so similarly we are checking the values. Okay, we are compare all the values and we have to find out which one is largest and which one is the smallest. Okay, using this loop. So next here our printf is what? After we are checking all the values from A1 to A5, we are checking, comparing all the values. Then we are find out largest among the given number is percentage D, means large. So now the largest value is displayed here. So what is the largest value? Now we are comparing each value. Now we are comparing 96 to 5. Then 96 is larger. Next we compare 7 to 96. 96 is larger. Next we compare 2 to 96. 96 is larger. So now in our final result, the larger value is 96. Next same for the smallest among the given numbers, we are checking, we are comparing 2 to all the numbers. We are comparing 2 to the 7, then we comparing 2 to 5, then we compare 2 to 96, then we compare 2 to 12. Okay, so next our smallest number is 2. Okay, so now what is the output of this program? What is the output of this program? So now we are check using our laptop. Okay, what is the output of this program? Now look here, this is our program. Okay, and look, the same program I write here. The largest among the given number is percentage D large and the smallest number of given number is small. Okay, so now I already compiled this one. So now we run this program. What is the output? Okay, so now look here, we are going to enter 5 numbers. First here I enter 67, then 8, then 54, then 90, then 7. Okay, I enter 5 numbers, then enter. Look here, the largest among the given numbers. Okay, look here, I again given the numbers. Okay, enter 5 numbers, 67, then 65, then 78, then 4, then 98. Okay, I already given 5 numbers, then I enter. So look here, which one is the largest number? 67, 65, 78, 4, 98. Okay, so 98 is the largest number. Okay, so largest among the given number is 98, and the smallest number is, which one is the smallest number? That is 4. So the smallest number is 4 and the largest number is 98. Okay, so now using this program we are find out the largest and the smallest among the 5 numbers, our array numbers. Okay, so today our one dimensional array is finished. In our next video we learn what is the two dimensional array. Okay, so thank you.